We are at Popham Beach, as you can see. Very nice. Just wanted to show you what the waves were like. There's Ivy. Say hi, Ivy. Oh, there's Tina. Hi, Tina. Okay. And there's cameraman Matt. Okay. Oh, there's Ivy again. Ivy, you're not left out. Calm your hormones. Anyways, this is the beach. Goes on for a couple miles. Just thought I'd share this with you, because it is Saturday. What's the date? The 13th. Very nice out. And while everyone else is at home, sitting in front of their TVs,
November 3rd.
me and Tina are at the beach. Okay. Tina, say bye. Bye. Ivy, bark.